laugh at mommy. She got hiccup. Is that funny? Is it funny mommy got hiccup? You always got the hiccups. And mommy, now you got the hiccup, mom. Britt. Is it funny? It's funny because mommy got hiccups. Is that funny? Yeah. Listen.